Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing a little embellishment on a piece here. Kind of doing a few of them, trying to get some done here. I don't have a show for a little bit, but just want to get some pieces all up and ready to go. I have my mirrored glass down here, and yeah, I'm just going to pour down some resin here.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
You guys have to let me know in the comments below, do you guys like to embellish your pieces of work, or do you just like to varnish? Do you resin everything? Like, how do you like to end your pieces out? Do you do anything? Some pieces I don't do anything to. Some pieces I do varnish, and then I have some pieces that I just love to resin, and then I have some pieces that I like to do a little bit of embellishment to and add some sparkle. But that's just a preference, but you have to let me know what do you guys do. Give me 1 second here. I gotta grab a paper towel. All right, so with this one, I think it's yep, those were air bubbles. I wasn't sure if that was air bubbles or a hair. All right. I'm going to be using, this is something I got off of Amazon. It's called Diamond Dust. I use it in a few of my pours, or my resin. And let's see what I do with my, right there. I just like to sprinkle this on my mirrored glass. Kind of helps give it a little extra sparkle there. I have a few shows coming up in the next month or so, and so I'm just trying to get some pieces resined up. I like to have a variety of art at my shows. I like to do some Dutch pours, some small pieces, some larger pieces, some just a little bit of beach pours, and of course, you know, I gotta have my beach pours because those seem to be a good seller. So if any of you are looking for something and you're starting to do some shows, trust me when I say this to you, people love a good beach pour. All right, now this is just some iridescent glitter. It's a fine glitter. Actually got it from Michael's, but the container is one that I have from Walmart. Oops. I just like how it has the little holes so you can kind of adjust. how your glitter comes out for the most part. And then I was thinking of doing, oh shoot, I thought I had one open. You can see it's got some really cool shards. I really like this. I think this is a really fun one. So it's a little chunkier, so you can't really have a small opening. Keeps clogging up. Oof, that came out really heavy. But that's okay. I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. All right, I think I'm good with this. Let me I always want to make sure I'm going to get this cup here. It needs to go in a little bit. It's out too far, but and bring it down for a close-up. All right, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Look at all that sparkle in there. I'm not sure. I think I should have dried results for these before I post these videos up. But then you can kind of see, I don't know, there you can kind of see the shards a little bit better. There you obviously can, because that's where it came out really heavy, and right here. But I think it's pretty. And then I have one more that I'm going to resin, this one here. So yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys embellish yours very often. Do you prefer to use resin? Do you prefer to varnish? Or how do you like to, or do you prefer not to do anything with your pieces? I know a lot of people resin them. I know a lot of people varnish. I know a lot of people who don't do either one unless it's at the request of who's ever purchasing it. So, but when I go to the shows, I like to have some pieces done, and I like to have some that are a little bit different. And I have some with varnish, some that are not, some that are resined, yeah, and some that are embellished and all that fun stuff. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope everybody is staying safe out there and staying healthy. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye. This is the first piece that I made, and this is the second piece that I did. I forgot I didn't, the camera, I don't know if I didn't turn it on or if I ran out of space or what, but so I thought I'd get this in with that one, with the first one, just so I have them both embellished. And I got a glob of chunky shards there. But this one I really like. The lacing, the cells in this one are just like so cool. Love it. But they both go good to one. So this one had a black base, and then this one had a white base. But both with the same silver, same colors. Just one's got a little bit more black. One's got a little bit more white, but you guys have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos and these two pieces that are together here, but look at all that sparkle. Like I just love doing this. I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and would like and subscribe and share and comment. All that fun, jazzy jazz that I say in every video. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye-bye.